Hello friends, welcome to Minds of Aspirant. So the preliminary examination 2025, some students had asked me for some schedule. So I have prepared this schedule, which I'm going to, say in this video. So how I have split is that 7 to 10 May, we'll go for polity. It will not be only polity. I have the schedule. I'll show you. Then Sunday test. Understand it, divide this according to your schedule. Maybe if you are writing on Tuesday, you accommodate accordingly, but for me Sunday is a test. Then 12th to 14th I have have a schedule of geography and environment. Geography environment is the same, you have to club it together, and you are going to finish ancient and medieval together. And 15th to 17th economics and modern India, economic terms and modern India. Sunday again test. The last week 19 to 24, I'll make a separate schedule. It's not going to be this schedule, it will be a last week schedule. That's a separate thing. So first we'll see the 7th to 10th May. How do I want you to divide it is this way. Please divide this into start your day early. If you're a person studying in the night, I request you to start your day early. Start by 6 o'clock, end it by 10, and you should have some 8 hours sleep that is there in everyday thing. So till from I think 20 more days or 20 odd days, some maximum 20 odd days is there. What you should think is that there is no rest from now on. So you will have a very packed schedule. How I would want you to do is that don't go by the basics of first we'll do fundamental duties and no. First start with there is a reason to it. Then first finish this parliament and president. So next 8:30 to 10:30, then go for state assembly. So you should club this together. Once you finish this, then you club and all the tables you check it. Then again take a break. See, look at it, half an hour break is there. Then here 1 hour break is there. So take a break, chill, and then look at all the officers. So this is like, you should look at the procedures and the other things, financial aspect, how the bill is passed, what is a quorum, and many other things are here, similarly here, state assembly and council, which are the following state has the council and many things. Now here, look at precisely the officers. Parliament's officers are there, how their rules are designated, who is their authority, how and everything, please check it. And then this 2 o'clock, see, from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, when you are a person, see, I and all used to sleep in this time, don't sleep in that time. Maybe take a 10-minute nap, 10 or a 15-minute nap. You are very young, your body will get accustomed, don't worry. 10 to 15-minute nap. In that, solve CSAT. See, CSAT, I'm not putting in the last. CSAT in the most boring time, because this is the time CSAT you will be writing. That's why you have CSAT. See, here I have changed, I will say the reason, but what I'm saying is that do it in the time when you are bored. But now also calculate in your schedule the map. Half an hour to half an hour, not 40 minutes, half an hour in a day spend for map. Map reading is important. Take an atlas, solve all the previous year question. That itself is enough. Look at all the rivers, mountains and things, because this is the time when it will be very boring and you will be feeling sleepy. Look at it at that time, solve CSAT. Then in the night, okay, so after this, completing this, look at all the committees. What is cabinet committee, what is ad hoc committee, how many committees are there, who will be the member, what are the positions of them, whether speaker will be the chairman. Please look at whether Rajya Sabha has committee, what is the procedure, what is the law of the procedure, and how many numbers for Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, delimitation commission, all these numbers and names. Who was the first person, speaker, who was the first deputy speaker, who was the, whether deputy speaker is present now in this time period. Analyze everything in Wikipedia, okay? Analyze everything for the content that you have done. Analyze it. Then what I would say is that this previous year question and CDS, and in this time period, science and technology question. What science and technology I'm not going to, because in that also you see I have not added science and technology. What you do is that take all the entire science and technology previous. See, this is previous year question, CDS of polity. But in the time, allocate a particular time, maybe 1 hour, allocate 1 hour for entire science and technology question. What you don't worry about anything. Take all the science and technology question. How many ever question is there? Understand them. Okay. Use Wikipedia. Understand them. It's enough. Now see it here. So the next day, 8th, what I would want you to start is that the 1773 Act to 1947 Act. 1770, see, 1919, 1909, 1935. Without this, there is no question. But we should start it from here. You have done this, now do this. Religiously do this. Because, see, in this, what you are doing is that you are covering a little bit of modern India also. Take spectrum, okay? Take spectrum, cover this portion also. Then you come to this language. Why I have kept language separately is that this time there will be a question on language, classical language, Prakrit. This time it is going to be there. Please have it. And then all the schedules, okay? Language and all the schedules. See, I have marked it all the schedules, schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, all till 12th. Look at their content. Okay, if you are looking at 11th and 12th schedule for a Panchayat Raj, look at their content. See how it is overlapping. Do not just read them. Look at their content. And Article 32, I have kept it, Article 32 and 9th schedule, specifically I have kept. 9th schedule, Article 32, specifically look at them as a chapter. Then constitutional bodies, look at, see, you will be, speaker, deputy speaker and everything. Other constitutional bodies, chief election commissioner. This time, the election of a chief election commissioner, language is a question. Please look at them very closely, how they are done, how the constitutional bodies, extra, and see, in polity, Lakshmi Kant, you will have constitutional, extra constitutional bodies. Look at them. Now, see, this act, when you are doing and you are finishing it off, you should also finish off in this time period all the names of whoever the Congress committee, where the committee was held, who was the president, where the people were there, Constituent Assembly, next Constituent Assembly when it came, who was the names, okay, names. Please check this. Then last and finally, you end of the day with Representation of People's Act. Representation of People's Act meaning is that how election is done, how the demarcation is done, what is the procedure for demarcating the constituency, what is delimitation commission, how many seats are there in Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, whether the Lok Sabha seats have been constant, if it is increased, how they are going to increase, everything you should cover it here. And also census, please take census also here. So then finally map, CSAT and science and technology. Map, CSAT and science and technology. Then you come to the next day, you finish off Supreme Court, High Court, National Green Tribunal, NHRC. Okay, Supreme Court, High Court, NGT and NHRC. Tribunals, look at next tribunals, all the tribunals, is a tribe, all the names of the tribunals, look at it in website. See, NGT also look at it in website. Then regulatory bodies, TRI is a regulatory body, RBI is a regulatory body, Consumer Rights Act is there. All the rights-based regulatory bodies, look at them, their position and their powers and responsibility, look at it in website. Okay, you can type in ChatGPT, give the names of the regulatory bodies, they will give you, and each of the regulatory body, look at their powers, functions, when they were started, everything in the website. Then this is a important time period. You should take this time period for completion of federal system, all legislative, administrative and financial and emergency. Take this entire day or entire evening kind of a thing for completion of this federal system, complete thorough, GST, Finance Commission, who and everything thorough. Next comes this map, and again map and CSAT. Map, CSAT, you can take, CSAT, practice it. Then question paper, practice, science and tech. This question paper, any question paper, you would have sectional tests for different institutes you might have, solve them. Do not worry about the mark. Just solve them. Okay, just solve them. Look at the question. Look at whatever, whether you are able to answer. You have studied all these things. Now, see, I have not kept it somewhere here. I'm keeping it here for a purpose. Do it in this time. Then the last day is 5th, 6th schedule. Look at the schedule, read them. Okay, what is the 6th schedule? Which area they are covering? 6th schedule, where they are there? Which are the areas which is there? Don't read only, don't be dependent on Lakshmikant. Read it thoroughly. That's why I've kept it separately. Okay, then special provisions is there. The special provisions, you need not go very deeply. You can look at each special provision, each state, there will be a special provision. Specifically look at whether in Manipur what special provision is there, because the problem is there. So special provision of that particular state, what they have given in addition, look at it. Then local governance is a must. One question from local governance is important. In the schedule itself, you should have read 11th and 12th schedule, but here local governance you are reading. Then union territory, you can and use this time in the Saturday for any left out articles which you may have. Then finally read from 1 article to 51 article, which is actually 1 to 51, 51A. That is fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSPs. See, wait for the completion. Don't sit with this chapter only. This is last. It will be, they'll ask 2-3 questions in that citizenship. Okay, chapter on citizenship. Please check it. Fundamental rights is important, but Citizenship Act this time, please check it. What is the Citizenship Act amendment which came and how it was there. Then finally, take Lakshmikant. There will be 200 questions behind Lakshmikant. Solve the entire question given in Lakshmikant. See how many questions you are able to answer. Then go for the next. So 11th means 11th is a Sunday. So as I told you, 11th you should have day for writing your mock test. Choose one. Choose religiously, go religiously, write them, check their keys, do not worry about their scores. It's a step-by-step process, one stage at a time, one day at a time, 1 week at a time. We should approach it. Do not worry that you may not know for this mock test, you should not worry about entirety, because we'll go stage by stage. Maybe I'll make the next video for geography, environment, and ancient medieval. Then we'll see the last week also. All the best. Thank you. Any doubts in that, put it. I'll make another video. Thank you. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Minds of Aspirant. You can send this video to anyone who is preparing for civil services and to your family members who want to know about civil services also. There is a Telegram channel, Minds of Aspirant official as well. You can click that link and join the group, and you can ask for whatever doubts that you have. And also you can click the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from Minds of Aspirant. Thank you. All the best.